Hey guys, I'm back. Looks like I took too long to get the stuff out because the video went off, and now we're going to put it together. You just need a Phillips head number 2, screwdriver, drill, whatever, but make sure you don't have your drill set too high because you'll strip it out and it's just all plastic. So we got the top on, and says to put the screws in here. Snug fit. That's all you need to do. Alright, then the high pressure hose goes on like this. Let's see. It goes on this one. Yeah. Should have looked at the front. It's like a puzzle. You put it in from the front, then add 4 screws, which is all that's left. So 2 screws for the top handle, and then 4 screws for the pressure washer hose. And then I guess the rest of it just snaps on. I guess we'll find out. It's interesting when you're looking for something, or when you want to get something and you're actually physically looking for it, it always seems like you can't find it, or you can't find a good deal. And then that time when you're not even thinking about it, you're not even looking for it, and then all of a sudden it just shows up in your face. And not only is it there, and it just happens to be the one you like and you want, and it's on sale. And they give you about, what, $25, $40 worth of extra parts. Okay, so we got the top on there. It's pretty sturdy. Let's see what else we doing. Figure 3, the cord holder. Let's see, this is the cord holder, and if we're looking at it from the front, cord holder is right here. Oh, okay. Kind of flimsy, just snaps in. That's your cord holder. And then figure 4, your trigger gun holder. This is your trigger gun holder, so I guess that will go on the opposite side. There we go. Snaps in place. All right, and then your spray wand rings, and your trigger gun. So there's your gun, and then so let's see. It's got these little T grooves on the side, and you put it in, snap in, push, and turn. So you snap in and then you turn it. Okay. Right, so that's that. It's, you know, it's solid, but again, it's just a molded plastic. You do have a switch so the trigger can't be pushed accidentally, and then you've got the lock. So we'll put it in lock mode, and figure 7 shows the high pressure hose. High pressure hose going inside. One side clamps in, the other side screws on. I'll just hand tighten for right now. So let's see if it fits up there. Just slides in. Not bad. Slides in pretty good. High pressure hose, one side, just there's a nipple that goes into the fitting and then you screw it down. And then you got the high pressure hose that hooks up. Let's see. On this model, both of them are on the front. It's got a warning: read before use, the hose must be connected and the water turned on before operating your unit. Push in the nipple a little bit into the fitting. Hand tighten. That's good to go. All right, and the other one is for your hose, it looks like. Okay, so it does have a fitting. I didn't realize that. So the silver connection screws right to the front. Now, these fittings though, I mean, they're plastic. So you got to make sure you're very careful when you're threading it on there. It threads on really well. And then, like I said, I'm just going to hand tighten everything and then this will go to your hose. But again, it's plastic. So you got to be very careful that you don't strip it or put it in the wrong way. It will screw down and you have to thread it on there pretty good so that you don't mess it up. There's one more piece that they don't say anything about. I don't, that's funny. This piece here, I don't even know what it is. Let's go back. What did I miss? Oh, I did. I missed figure 5, spray wand protector. So this, sorry, this little piece clicks right down at the bottom. That makes sense. Your spray nozzle sits in there so it doesn't get damaged. Alright guys, so it's all together and we just have our accessories, turbo spray nozzle, and then like I said, 3 other nozzles, 40 degrees, 0 degrees, and 15 degrees. And that's it. Hope you liked the video, and we're going to do another video of cleaning the outside and cleaning the tile and showing how well this works. All right, Thanks for watching.
Bye.